Hey YouTube, just wanted to make a quick video to show this kind of sweet metal rack I just made myself last week. Previous to having this rack, I had all of this steel jammed in the corner here behind the folded up, rolled up, dirty old pool, old spare tires for a trailer. And you know, every time I needed a piece of metal, it was always leaned up behind all of the other ones, so I never had good access. I wanted to have a better system, so I designed this rack, drew it up in FreeCAD. I'll show that shape, or I'll give you that shape file. So just a narrow space there that holds sheet steel vertically. Could hold, it's about 3 inches of space, so it could easily hold quite a bit of 1/8 or smaller sheet, and you can do the math from there. Used a C channel I got off of Craigslist, and then some 3/4 inch metal I got at a yard sale. Again, not a lot of money put into this. Heaviest caster wheels I could find at Harbor Freight, and boy, it's really nice. A lot of room to rack tube steel on the side. It rolls pretty effortlessly until you put 1,000 pounds on it. And even then, it's pretty easy to move around, especially when you got two hands and you're not making a video. And I'm not gonna try and jam it too far in there, I think one-handed, but you get the idea. I'm going to just tow it into place here. At the end of the video, I'll show you a couple of time lapses I took kind of early on in the making of, and then I got too involved and I didn't finish filming the welding or anything, but it'll give you an idea. And you know, watching time-lapse metalwork is lots of fun. I'm sure you'll spot lots of mistakes I made. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.